I am happy. She likes to dance. He reads a book. We play in the park. The sun is shining. They go to school. I have a cat. She draws a picture. He runs fast. We love ice cream. It's a beautiful day. The bird sings. She plays guitar. He eats pizza. We watch a movie. I see a rainbow. They swim in the pool. She writes a letter. He has a dog. We go on a trip. The flowers bloom. I hear music. She jumps high. He drinks juice. We cook dinner. The cat sleeps. I study every day. She is my friend. He wears a hat. We visit grandma. I like to run. She rides a bike. He plays soccer. We have a party. The moon is bright. They talk a lot. She smiles often. He helps me. We plant flowers. I watch TV. She cooks well. He climbs trees. We go shopping. I hear laughter. She dreams big things. We learn new words. The dog barks. She dances gracefully. He draws a map. We take photos. I love my family. She runs a race. He plays the piano. We go on a hike. The rain falls. I see a butterfly. She wears glasses. He sings a song. We bake cookies.